The good news about Jesus has gone to Matthew chapter 1 from verse 1 to verse 17. The people them in a Jesus family. This are the list of Christ Jesus father them go back. Jesus did come from David and Abraham family. Abraham did a Isaac father and Isaac did a Jacob father. Jacob picked them at the Judah and Judah brother them. Judah did Perez and Zerah father. Tamar did a them mother. Perez picked did Ezran and Ezran picked did Ram. Aminadab did Ram pickney. And for Aminadab pickney did Nation. And Saman did for Nation pickney. Saman did Boaz father. His mother did Rahab. Boaz did Obed father. Ruth did his mother. Jesse did Obed pickney. And Jesse did a King David father. David did a Solomon father. And Uriah wife did a Fee mother. Solomon pickney did Rehoboam. Rehoboam did Abijah father. And Abijah did Asa father. Asa pickney did Jehoshaphat. Jehoshaphat did for Joram father. Joram pickney did a Uzziah. Uzziah pickney did Jotham. Jotham did for Ayaz father. And Ayaz did a Ezekiah father. Ezekiah did for Manasseh father. And Manasseh did Eman father. Eman pickney did a Josiah. And Josiah did for Jeconiah father. Plus, he did have some other boy pickney. This around the time when the Babylonian them did take with the Israel people them and force them to go walk a Babylon. After that time, Jeconiah did have Shealtiel, and Shealtiel did get Zerubbabel. Zerubbabel pickney did a Abiud. Abiud did Eliakim father, and Eliakim did a fi Azur father. Azur pickney did a Zadok. Zadok pickney did a Akim, and Akim did a Eliud father. Eliud did a Eliezer father. Eliezer pickney did a Matan. Matan did for Jacob father. And Jacob did a Joseph father. That a Mary husband. Mary, we did have Jesus. That a Christ Jesus. So, from Abraham, go straight back at David. A 14 generation Jesus did have. And from David time up to when them did take with the Israel people them and force them to go to Babylon, a 14 generation Jesus did have this or two. And from that time there to when Christ Jesus born, a 14 generation that too. And God want this. Thank God.